Hey everyone, welcome back to Glow with Gayatri. Today we're going to discuss some valuable tips and resources for the Kerala University MSc Chemistry first year practical exam. So first, we'll be looking at the CH214 Inorganic Chemistry Practicals 1. Let's dive into the first question. You're required to prepare a metal complex, and you have three options to choose from: potassium trioxylatochromate, tetraamine copper sulfate, or hexamine cobalt chloride. The preparation of the complex carries 14 marks, with 3 marks for quality and 3 marks for yield. The total marks for this question are 20. Next question. You're asked to estimate the amount of ZnMNG present in the given solution. You'll be provided with approximately 0.05 m ATA solution in Ar zinc sulfate crystals. This question carries 25 marks. It's essential to note that up to 2% error is allowed and you'll receive full marks. However, for every 0.1% error beyond that, there will be a deduction of 1 mark. Unfortunately, if your error exceeds 3%, you'll only receive 5 marks for this 25-mark question. So please be careful and accurate in your calculations. The third question is to determine the amount of chromium in the whole of the given solution of potassium dichromate colorimetrically. This question carries 20 marks. Here, a graph with 5 points is required and 5 marks are distributed for this graph. Up 4% error is allowed and you'll receive 15 marks. That's 15 plus 5, totaling 20 marks. However, for every additional 0.1% error, there will be a deduction of 1 mark. Unfortunately, for errors of 5% and above, you'll only receive 5 marks. The last question is a 10-mark question divided into 2 parts A and B. You'll have to write the requirements, principle with necessary equations, and procedure of the given experiment within the first 15 minutes of the lab exam. For Part A, you'll have to explain the complexometric estimation of ZnMNK. This carries 5 marks. For Part B, you'll have to explain the colorimetric estimation of FACR-Ni. This also carries 5 marks. For Part A, you'll be marked on the mass of substance needed to prepare the standard solution, addition of buffer, indicator, theory of estimation, and equation. Each of these points carries 1 mark. For Part B, you'll be marked on the Beer-Lambert law graph, coloring reagent complex, maximum wavelength, and procedure. These points carry a total of 5 marks. So that's it. So next is CH215 Organic Chemistry Practicals 1. First question. 1a. Separate the given binary organic mixture into the components. B. Purify the components. C. Prepare the TLC report of the purified component I with mixture and component SECO with mixture. D. Sketch the TLC on your answer book and find out the RF values. Exhibit the TLC plates for inspection. So let's break down this question. First, we need to identify the method of separation. If our mixture contains carboxylic acid, we should do bicarbonate separation. If our mixture contains phenol or alcohol, we should do sodium hydroxide separation. If our mixture contains amine, we will do HCl separation. After finding out the method of separation, bulk separation is conducted. Then we should purify it and do the TLC. The RF value should be calculated and the TLC plate should be exhibited for inspection. This question carries 40 marks. Next question. 2a. Convert the given to B. Crystallize a small quantity of the final product from. Keep the crude and crystallized samples for inspection. This question involves the preparation of compounds by 2 stages. It may be one of the following reactions. The examiner will decide which reaction to perform. We are also crystallizing a small quantity of the final product and keeping the crude and crystallized samples for inspection. This question carries 25 marks. The last question is to write down the procedure for the conversion of one compound into another within the first 10 minutes of the lab exam. We should give the principle and the mechanism of the reactions involved in the conversion. It carries 10 marks. If you want me to cover CH216 Cycle Chemistry Practicals I, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and best wishes for your exam. Glow with Gayatri.